Hello and welcome to this demonstration of the Unix command du. In its simplest form, you can use it to give file sizes, and most useful actually I often find is when you're hunting down a particularly large one because you're running out of disk space. This is your friend to do that. Its simplest form, just type in du. And you'll see it produces a long list with a whole bunch of numbers which are fairly meaningless to people. Unfortunately, the writers of DU realised that normal people don't understand those numbers at all. They're useful when you're doing programming and calculations, but not much use to us trying to read them. Now I'm going to use another command in this demonstration. You don't need to worry about it. It's called clear. And all that does is it clears the screen to make things easier for you to see. So I'm just going to do that now. There we go. Fortunately, DU comes with a minus human option, which is minus H. And there you'll see the numbers have been changed and are more the sorts of numbers that we're used to seeing as people, as in K for kilo, M for meg, G for gig, and so on. So let's just clear the screen again. Another command that is very useful excuse me, on DU is the summary command, and I'm going to combine it with the human command, the minus H, again just to keep things nice and easy for us to read. So I'm going to type in this time du minus sh. There we go. That just gives me one nice big number. Now, not very useful. It's actually telling me the size of the directory. So what I could do is du minus sh, and then use what's called a wildcard. And an asterisk in wildcard means match absolutely everything. And there you go. That gives me a nice summary there. Now let's clear the screen. Unix is actually very friendly when it comes to the way you specify command line options. Options are the minus S, minus H that we've just been adding to the command. So I could specify as du minus hs star. It produced the same. I could type in, as I did before, just so you can see, minus sh star, and I get the same results. Now the other really nice thing about Unix, which is quite friendly, let's clear the screen for you, is I can also type in, so you've seen I can type them in either order, or if you've got lots of them, any order. Du minus s minus h star. Remember, star means match everything, and it gives you exactly the same results as before. Unix comes with a very useful built-in feature. Well, built-in's not quite right, but we'll run with that for now to keep things simple, called man. So let's clear the screen. And man is short for manual, and you can use it on pretty much all of the Unix command line tools. And you just type in man and then the command you want some help on, and in this case it's du. Think. And it gives us a neatly paginated manual page. Now, as you can see, you can press H and it gives you a whole load of options to scroll forward, scroll backward, page up, page down, and all sorts of things. Experiment with that to your heart's content. The most common one when using man is you just press spacebar. So you can see I'm just pressing spacebar, and you look for the one to refresh your memory on what options you want, and you press Q to quit. I hope that has been helpful to you and explains the use of DU. So I said it's particularly useful when you're trying to hunt down why your disk is unexpectedly full. DU can go a long way to helping solve those sorts of problems. Or if you're trying to copy a whole bunch of files over to burn them onto a DVD or a CD. I guess we don't do CDs anymore, but copy them onto a flash drive or whatever that you need to do. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm making videos on a regular basis. If you want to know more about the channel, there's also a channel introduction video which tells you a little bit more about my background and why I'm trying to set this channel up and what I'm trying to achieve with the channel. As I said, click on subscribe. Please come back again soon and check for new videos. I think if you click on the bell option, I think you get notified when I upload a new video. I'm still quite new to YouTube, so I'm finding my way around and learning as well. Once again, thanks for your time. Hopefully drop by again soon.